sunken forest. Have you got a little bit of history to tell us about the sunken forest, Fraser?
This was, the Canoe Dam was completed in either 74 or 76, I can't remember, so these trees have been underwater since mid to late 70s really.
There's these rock stacks up here on the right. I haven't been up this far before, but I've never seen them. But they look very man-made.
Oh yeah, I'm not really sure why.
Well, there's a track. Yeah, that's almost sort of like, that might be the track that comes down and goes to Beehive Point.
Oh, it is a road. Yeah, it's a service road.
Yeah.
Comes all the way down here.
Gee, there's been a lot of work going to that, hasn't there?
Hard labour.
Righto, well, we're back to our little paddle. Quite a distance we covered. It's the equivalent of pretty much back to the dam wall and then back to here. So it's a fair old paddle, but it was fun. We had a bit of a fish on the way back. Fraser struck up and got a hit on the first cast, lucky bugger. And then we realised we were a little bit hungry, so we headed back to camp, and I've just had a swim. Washed some clothes, they're drying up over there now. Got some clean clothes on, and life's good. Fraser's just been out having a bit of a fish. He's just been around the corner here to the right, and just as he's come up here, he's hooked onto something that's making a lot of commotion over there. It's out for an afternoon frizz in the water. Heading into the wind here, so it's a little bit tricky. Oh, nice carry. Oh, dive. Oh, now that's the view of the camp. Look at it. Tube stuff. Well done. Oh, so close. Hard. Let's see how far we can tip this over. That just doesn't want to go. So we've got bread three ways, on the rock and on the stick. And this is some wax that Fraser's brought along to cover the new bag with. It's just a big army kit bag that I'll be using in the canoe.
Watch it and put it next to the fire, and once it's gone wet again, it sort of disappears into the fabric, if you know what I mean.
That's oil and wax, is it?
Linseed oil, beeswax, and some turps, and very little turps. It's just to kind of help it kind of be a bit more of a paste, rather than going stiff again.
And here we go, here's the first of the three breads. This is the bread on a stick. It's cooked quite nicely, it's got a nice crust on it. That's good. And then we've got the second little balls of bread that were just cooked on the rock next to the fire.
Oh, yeah, nice bit of crust on there, bit of colour on the crust. Perfect.
Look at that.
Hot bread. Hot bread roll.
Alright, and here we are with the third of our bread 3 ways. It's the loaf done in the billy. And we're just going to break it open. See what happens. Oh. Well, that's alright. It's done pretty good. Bread 3 ways. Alright, well we've just left camp. Fraser's just coming up behind me, I guess. Can you see him? I can't yet. Anyway, he'll come. First 2-day or 2-nighter trip that we've done, and yesterday was a blast. We just goofed around. It was like summer holidays when you're a kid, and mucking around, going for a bit of a paddle, having a fish, goofing around with the frizz and on the tubes. It was good times. So we've got the paddle in front of us. We're just going to take it easy. Just past the 1 kilometre to go to the dam wall, and got a breeze at our back. It's been a lovely paddle back. Sun's quite high in the sky. It is quite warm, quite sunny. Just taking the hat off now just to get a little bit of breeze. But this has been a lovely paddle. We're going to take a dip in the lake when we get down to the put out spot and put some fresh clothes on and head to the pie shop. Yes, the pie shop. We love the pie shop. Oh, there's a look at the bag. I've still got some work to do. We're holding it over the fire, and you can see the parts where you can't see the wax. That's the bits that have been done. We did that by the fire. I'm just going to get the hairdryer on the rest of it when I get home, because it was really just too hot last night to stand by the fire and do it. Marks the end of another adventure down the Kangaroo Valley.